Hey ho, it's your boy Nick the motherfucking thick whatever. And today I'm wearing a shirt that I'd never wear in public because I'm gay. You know, whenever I wear this shirt, I like to fuck up my whole life. And so that means today I'm gonna be fucking bleaching my hair. My hair is ugly right now, so we're gonna fix it right up. Today the bleach I'm gonna be using is the L'Oreal Technique High Performance Quick Blue Extra Strength for on and off scalp application bleach. Okay, so I have the bleach mixed and ready, and yeah, so I'm about to fucking just grab a scoop and just fucking fuck up my whole hair. I don't use a fucking brush. I don't fucking use any of that shit. No, fucking I just go in. I say fuck it, I grab it, rub it in like a shampoo, and we just fuck up our whole life. I really have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I mean, I've bleached my hair before. Yeah, this is my 4th time bleaching my hair, but you know, I've only done the top those 3 times, so this is time I'm actually doing my whole head. And I'm kind of scared actually, because I feel like it's gonna be all patchy in the fucking back, and I'm gonna look like a fucking like leopard or some shit, you know? Also, there's the chance I might get 3rd-degree burns because I'm just fucking packing that shit in there. There's that too. So, you know, we'll see. Pray for me. 1 retweet equals 1 prayer. It's very hot out here. It's supposed to be like 101 today. So, I have a cold fucking water bottle while I wait. Okay, so now we're gonna wait 40 minutes, like it says on the packaging, and then we're gonna wash it out, and then later when I'm dressed and looking all bomb as fuck, we're gonna show you the big fucking reveal. If it's gonna be a fucking bop or a fucking flop. Who knows? So yeah, let's fucking wait it out.
Say my name, you acting kinda shady. You calling me baby. Say my name. Who's around you? Say baby, I love you if you ain't running game.
Okay, so I currently have 6:39 on the timer. I don't know if you can see that. 6:30 now, and this is pretty fucking blonde, but like, bitch, what? Oh my god, I'm like kind of freaking out because you can obviously tell that black, but there's fucking blonde right there. Like, what the fuck? I'm like screaming. Oh my god, what if this comes out shitty? Oh my god, I'm like kind of freaking out actually. Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
I'm currently listening to High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. That's the song I need to hear right now because I need to have high hopes that my hair is gonna come out good.
I just realized, even if this goes shitty, I have fucking toner. Okay, so I'm kind of in the dark right now in my restroom. I'm looking at it, and it's actually probably more bleached than I thought. So I have about 9.5 minutes left on this, and I honestly see barely any difference. It's in the tutorial that I saw on YouTube, her hair was like purple, but yet again she did use like a lighter one, but like anyways, but like I mean, I kind of see it. I see it like right there. It's like starting to lighten up. I don't know, we'll see her in like 9 minutes when it changes. No. This is the final look or whatever. The toner really didn't do anything to it at all, but that's fine. I am actually fucking obsessed with this hair, and you know, I love it. I personally love it. So you know, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Oh my god, you know, like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a motherfucking upload ho. And until the next video, I'll see you hoes later. Bye.